Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower last week. You had beans leading the way to the downside, while corn and wheat were also lower as well. Been mixed so far this morning. One of the main things the trade had its eye on late Friday afternoon, or late in the trading session, grain session on Friday, was the EPA released their 2014 Renewable Fuel Standard proposal, and it was corn was lowered to around 13 billion gallons. The original proposal going into 2014 was for 14.4 billion gallons of corn-based ethanol, so that obviously was a hit. The trade was kind of expecting that, but that helped the market close lower on the week. Big export sales on Friday weren't enough. That brought the market down. So soybeans, also interesting to note, closed below the 100-day moving average on Friday. They had average export sales, and also actually had a bullish development for the crush data that was released on Friday. More bushels were used than what was going to be thought. So that was a bullish development, yet it wasn't enough to rally the market. Heavy profit taking on Friday made it close below the 100-day moving average. The 200-day moving average comes in right at 1275, so I imagine we'll see that come in support. And that's for January soybeans. So moving forward today, crop progress will be at this afternoon. Harvest is wrapping up throughout the Midwest. There have been some delays. Downstate Illinois had some really severe weather yesterday, and our thoughts with those people down there that were affected by that. But as a whole, most of the Midwest, not a whole lot of harvest disruptions. It's expected to roll and head towards completion this week. So have crop progress data for you tomorrow. Otherwise, that's all we've got for today. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.